Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. I have the WARSUN model 229. This is an emergency LED light and radio. It is a hand crank generator as well. Has lots of different features on it, so we're going to walk through all of those and test it out and give you guys my final opinion on it. Let's go ahead and unbox this device. On the top, you will see instructions, so make sure to get to the language you can read. And we'll go ahead and look over all of those, make sure you know what's going on each part of it, so we can make sure we use this device properly. Inside the box comes with your radio. It is a black and green one, kind of an army color green, and also comes with a USB to USB-C connector. So we're going to go ahead and peel the plastic off where the solar panel is located. So inside here we'll have your battery. Go ahead and pop the battery out. And we'll need to remove this little piece right here. This just keeps the battery from being used when it's in shipping. I'm going to go ahead and put the cover back on. And you can see that the battery is full. If it was not full, we need to go ahead and come to here and go ahead and plug in our USB-C right into there, just like this, and that would help charge it for us. But this thing is already full, so we will not need to charge this battery. Let's go over some of the features of this. This thing does have a built-in flashlight, which is pretty bright. Also has a kind of more cob light, and also has kind of a SOS signal that helps people know that you're in need if you hold down the light button. Not going to play that super long because it is very loud and the light is very bright next to my eyes. That is pretty neat that it does have that feature. On the back is your power generator, so if you do need to crank it, it will help charge your battery. So you can see it is charging it right there as the battery increments go up. So if you're out of power, you do have ability to charge this thing even more, which is pretty sweet. You can use the antenna to go with the radio, so power. And so I don't know a whole lot of radio stations in my area, but that's your volume. You can switch band to AM and FM. Seeing if anything's programmed. So, don't know what channel this is, but you can easily get to whatever channel you want and be able to use the radio if that's something you're interested in. AM, FM, WB, which is pretty great. It has all those options. It even has programmable options as well. You can easily turn that off as well by hitting the power button. If you're outside, you can charge. If you're outside, you can charge this with the solar panel on the top, so that is helpful if you're camping or anything like that. You'll still have access to your radio and things like that. Also, if you open up here, you can use the regular USB and charge a device with this. So it does come with a battery inside of here, and so that battery will charge any kind of device like a phone or an iPad. You can charge directly out of this device, which is helpful in an emergency situation if you do need to have access to a phone that is dead. So if you want to be able to change the time, you just hold down that center button and you can increase minutes and hours just by hitting the buttons there. So you'll have the ability to move it around to fit whatever time it is. And so it is 9:30, so we'll go back to this and get to 9:30 and set the time right there. I'm going to go ahead and use this product for a little bit and come back with my honest review. We're going to do a test outside with the light on this. So the first light is kind of a spotlight that's really far. You can see everything. We're going to hit it again, and this is more of a wide frame. And then it's off, and then again that spotlight, you can really light something up and be able to see everything, or a little bit wider look there. And then we're going to hold it down. We're not going to do this long because it's super loud. So, but again, I just clicked it a couple of times so you could see it. So this is the test for this light here. So I've been using this for a few days now and really seem to like it. It has some really cool features. I've not been in a power outage where I've needed the power generator, but it is an awesome feature to have on there if you really have lost power for multiple days. I did use the light a couple of different times. It is very bright, and so you should have seen that in the video of the testing. I do like the little radio, so I do a lot of fishing, so this thing does come in handy when you're fishing and you want to listen to a little bit of radio. I don't turn it up very loud, but just a little bit of radio in the background can just add a little bit more fun to fishing experiences. It also has the feature of charging your phone or other device, which is super helpful as well in an emergency situation. Overall, I think this is a great product. If you're looking for something for an emergency situation or even for everyday use, you have that option right here. I do like that it has the feature of the SOS as well if you are in an emergency situation, to be able to get people's attention and be able to get the help that you need. If you do have any questions, go ahead and put those down in the comment section down below. If you've not subscribed to mcfixit yet, please do. That helps this channel grow. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day.